Okay, I have a product for you that's going to make cleaning so much easier. I'm going to give you a fair warning. This is not something that's antimicrobial or antibacterial. I love things to be sanitized, but this is a perfect way after sanitizing your house to make your house shiny, clean, and over time have less dust. It's called the Counter Clean. This Counter Clean reduces grime, gets rid of soap scum, all the gross stuff that you don't like. But one of my favorite ways to get rid of it is for teachers. If you know a teacher, this is gonna be for them. Or if you are a teacher, message me. Okay, you have a dry erase board. You're working at school, things are going great. All of a sudden, the kids just go crazy on it. And, this is not coming off. Even if you got it wet, you'd still have that weird, leftover, weirdness to it. So the Scentsy counter is gonna help with that. I'm gonna show you. Just need a few sprays here. This is gonna start already disintegrating the marker, and you're gonna barely have to do any hard, heavy lifting. So in that case, I would have a student, or if you have a kid at home, do this for you. Ready? There it goes. Okay, it comes off. I just did 3 sprays and it is completely gone. Now switch it over, wipe off any excess, and you're all set. So if you want the Counter Clean, click the link below to get it yourself.